Hey, you guys, I said I would do a little video about Evernote. So this is the website that you go to. It's just evernote.com. And then there's a free version and there's like price lists and stuff down here. I think I did this one. And I think there's a sale right now too. I thought I saw something like that pop up. But anyway, so I'll just give you a look at it, at mine so you can kind of see what it looks like. So get my face out of the way. So it's basically, I just notes, like anytime you want to make a note, you can just press note and then you can put anything in it. You can put a title, you can do a to-do list, you can have a reading list, you can do daily reflections. You can put videos in here, you can put websites, and you also, under your settings, you even have an email address. So if you get an email that you want to send into your notes, you can email yourself at Evernote and then it'll just bust it into an email. I do shopping stuff. I was looking for stuff for my house for furniture. And so I measured things in my home, measured spaces. And then when we went furniture shopping, I took pictures and put all the measurements in so I could take home and kind of evaluate what I wanted to get. I use it for everything. I use it for school, for my union stuff. And then this is why I brought it up, was because I have this whole recipe. And what's cool is I have these notebooks, and this is important to know before you get started, is if you have a larger category, you want to put it in a notebook because then you can put smaller things into that. So with recipes, I divided each notebook into these pages where it's all appetizers. So these are all the different recipes I have in here from this. I get an email I don't know, a couple times a week of a new recipe, and it's all stuff that's based on anti-inflammatory and metabolic boost and hormone balancing. So I have a breakfast. There's not too many in the breakfast that I have. Desserts. There's a lot of fun different desserts in here. Dressings and sauces that are all, most of it's dairy free. A lot of times there's some that have Greek yogurt, but that's about it. Oh, that was my freezer inventory. So I went in and wrote down everything that's in my freezer, and then whenever we eat anything, we just check it off so we know what's in there. So I eat out of my freezer because I have so much food in there. And then there's a lunch and dinner section with all these different things and salads, and they have a ton of different smoothies that are great. Watermelon smoothie, pineapple smoothie, and then soups. So that is what I was going to share with any of you if you were in Evernote. But holler if you have any questions or you want any more explanation. But there's a little tour of what this looks like later.